Hi guys, I'm S. Parthivaj from Madurai. I have recently completed my BTech Mechanical Engineering specialization in electric vehicles degree from VIT Chennai this year. My passion for cars is started since my childhood when I started collecting Hot Wheels cars. Later on, I started to build cars on Lego City, and then later on, I started reading motor vehicle magazines, which I would read every month so that I was up to date in automotive world. I joined as an intern in TVS Motor Internship. There I was working in PED department. The PED department was split up into many teams. My team is responsible for Plan 3 and assembly lines number 5, 6 and 7. And I was put up in assembly line 7 where iQube scooter was manufactured. My work was to develop a lower specification motor for iQube. For that, I took the regular iQube model ST into dyno testing area, and from that I took the power and torque curves for respective voltages, and I just changed the voltages in particular maximum peak voltages, and I was able to create a lower powered version of iQube, and that variant is now sold as yes. I just gave them an idea and it has been worked now. For my capstone project, I developed a MWCNT foam, which was integrated to a PU foam. It was done within my campus, and we took a experimental setup basic things, sodium bicarbonate, acetic acid to produce CO₂, and analyzed that our foam was only capturing CO₂. For soot collecting verification, what we did was we tested camphor test. Like we burned camphor below the our foam, and we allowed the camphor to burn for 3 minutes. And after the completion of camphor, we took the final weight of our sample, and the initial weight and final weight is compared, and then we found out the weight percentage. This was done to verify the foam that it was collecting soot. And my skills are in ANSYS workbench. I know to do CFD and SolidWorks, CATIA V5, Ricardo wave measure, and then Sprocket 2.0. This Sprocket 2.0 is used to design sprocket for any number of teeth, and we can also import this step file in SolidWorks, and we can modify the design of this sprocket so that our work in SolidWorks is reduced. Like the outer skeleton work, it can be obtained from Sprocketer, and then it is imported in SolidWorks. I learned this software from Shaurya Racing. It's a special racing team where I worked for around 2 years, and it is a Formula Bharat racing team where we should build our own car. And I was working in powertrain department. I was responsible for creating intake runner and exhaust runner. What I did was the existing runner length and the existing exhaust runner length I noted down, and there is a software called Ricardo Wave, where you can test your powertrain, and when you run the simulation, it will show how much power and torque the car is generating, like such that you can efficiently optimize the intake runner length and the exhaust runner length. I have a vast interest on vehicle dynamics, like I got to know about pitch and bounce model, quarter car model, slip angle, tire mechanics, forces and momentum acting on a tire. And apart from my technical skills, I am a good team player. I have let my roller skate relay on hockey team for my school. I believe I deserve this seat because I don't just dream of being part of motorsport. I have built my life around it. I worked from ground up, learned up fixing, breaking, rebuilding it, whether it's dyno tuning, CO₂ filtration, or building EV powertrains. I am ready to learn, contribute, and grow. As well as I am very much enthusiastic about engineering systems in the motorsport cars. and thank you for considering me. Thank you.